Can you see this? Students, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. So today we are going to start our chapter 4, lines and angles. As per our syllabus, this is our chapter 4. Okay. So first of all, let us see what you will learn in this chapter. Here you will study the properties of angles formed when two lines intersect each other, and also the properties of the angles formed when a line intersects two or more parallel lines at distinct points. Okay, so don't worry about the all statements. We are just giving information. We will learn that all these things in this chapter. And now all of you listen carefully. These are the basic terms and definitions. Okay, basic terms and definitions. It is very important. Okay, a part or portion of a line or a portion of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment, and a part of line with the one point is called a ray. Okay, I will show you what do you mean by all these definitions. Okay, see, what do you mean by a line segment? A line segment means it should have a beginning as well as an end. Okay, both the endpoints are marked. Okay, in such cases, we call this, which one?
Line
This
segment.
as line segment. Yes, it is line segment. And what about, or what do you mean by a ray? Let us see. A ray means, okay, I will draw it in this way. This is a ray. Okay, it has only one endpoint.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the only endpoint. That is why I have notated like this. It is moving further. We can't say it is the length is this much only or the length is that much. It is not clear. It is moving. So that such kind of lines are called the ray. Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us see.
Yes, sir.
The line segment AB is denoted by, okay, I will show you how it is being denoted. See, it is denoted with a line like this. And to write AB, then a line drawn on the upper. Okay. And its length is denoted by AB. Now, what about a ray AB? It is denoted by, how we are denoting it? First, we have to write AB and we have to draw a small ray above that AB. Okay, these are the symbols that we used to notate a ray as well as a line segment. But the thing is that here, I mean, in this chapter, we won't use these symbols. That is the important thing. Okay, instead, we will use, that is, instead of line segment AB, ray Okay, ray AB, length AB, line AB, we all denoted by the same symbol, just AB only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and the meaning will be clear from the context. Means sometimes it will be specifically mentioned in the textbook in the questions itself. Okay, so we don't get confused. And again, sometimes we may use small letters L, M, and N as well. Okay. Now another important point. Listen here. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. See, I will. What does it say? Three or more points lie on the same line. Say, this is a line. Okay. And then what we are going to do? We are considering 3 points, suppose. Which means if this is a point, this is a point, and again, this is also a point. If all these points lie on this particular line, then say that all these points are called collinear points. What is it? Collinear points. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? We are calling all the points together as collinear points.
Yes,
Sometimes
sir.
there is
Yes,
it is
sir.
not okay. Sometimes it is not necessary that all the points lie on the same line. It is not necessary. Okay. See, this is a line. Sometimes it is not necessary that they lie on the same line. See, sometimes a point may be lying here, here. Only one point may be lying here. This kind of points are known as non-collinear points because they are not lying on a single line. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, in this section we will deal with the main basic terms and definitions. Okay, only that much. Now, the rays making an angle are called the arms of the angle, and the end point is called the vertex of the angle. Okay, I will show you. See, these are the, I mean, this is a ray. Again, this is also a ray. Okay, they are called the arms of the angle. See here, you can see that this is our angle, X is our angle, and the arms of that angle X are these points, these rays. Okay, these are the rays which forms the angle. Clear? We are naming it. Only we are just naming these are called the arms. Okay. Are you all clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, and the intersecting point of these two rays, that is this point. Okay. It is called a vertex of the angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see what do you mean by an acute angle, a right angle, an obtuse angle, again, a straight angle, a reflex. Okay. It is your notebook as well because this is very important. So, what do you mean by an acute angle? An acute angle means angle which lies between 0 degree
2 degree
and
to 90 degree.
90 degree. Acute angle. Okay. So can you just say an acute angle? Anyone?
45
degree.
60 degree.
45 degree.
5 degree.
20
Yes.
28 degree, 89 degree.
20,
Yes.
35 degree.
There are many. Yes, there are many angles are there. 75 degree, 35 degree, 40 degree, or even 89 degree. That too is an acute angle. Okay, there is no problem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you know, already know this. What do you mean by a right angle? Right angle means specifically it is equal to 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree. Yes, very good. And now we will see what is an obtuse angle. Actually, obtuse angle is a converse of acute angle. See here, what do you mean by acute angle? Angles from 0 to 90. But obtuse means what? Angles from which is greater than 90 and less than 180. Okay. So all the angles which lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay. They are called
Yes, sir.
obtuse angle. Remember the name. Okay. Obtuse angle. So what all angles we have learned till acute angle is there, a right angle is there, and obtuse angle is there. Now we will see what straight angle. Okay. As the name suggests, straight angle means it's actually a straight line. Okay. And it is called straight angle means the value is 180 degree. And do you remember this? You have already learned that the angles in mathematics are measured in anti-clockwise direction. See, means we will start from here and then we will move till here. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
that
sir.
is-
Yes, sir.
See, here also we are in straight angle also we are moving like this. We start from here and then we reach here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In case of an obtuse angle also we are moving like this. Which means I was saying that we cannot move like this. It is wrong. Okay. Don't mark an angle like that. That is, remember that. Always remember that. It is there the basics. Okay. See, when you come to reflex angle, some of you may be thinking, sir, we can mark this angle. No, that is wrong. Okay, we will start. Reflex angle means angles which are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, which means we will start from here and it will look like this. Okay, all the angles which lies in this area. Okay, they are called reflex angle. And actually, acute angle, all the acute angles lies in. We have learned in our chapter coordinate geometry
This angle is
Second quadrant.
right angle triangle is on positive y-axis.
Students, can you say obtuse angle lies in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
First and are we clear?
Sir, your voice is not
Can I
clear.
go?
Yes, sir.
Now can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You what about the reflex angle?
Quadrant third and fourth.
What can you say?
And third and
Yes.
fourth quadrant.
Coordinate
Reflex
third,
angle
fourth.
lies on third and fourth quadrant. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you all okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay. Now let us move. There are some more angles. Two type of angles are also there. Let us say two angles whose sum is 90 are called complementary angles. What are they? Let there be any two angles. See, suppose those angles may be x and y. What is the peculiarity of those angles? The peculiarity is that x plus y will be equal to 90. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let it be any angle. Let it be x or y or a or b. Can you just tell me an example for a complementary angle?
50 plus
Anyone?
40.
45 degree.
Okay, one at a time. I can't hear it properly. Okay, I'll just call a name. Arjun,
Yes, sir.
you can just tell me an example of a complementary angle.
So 45 and 45 degree.
45 and 45. Yes, that's correct. Because the sum is 90 degree. And now, Tanishka,
Yes, sir. 50 degree plus 40.
50 degree plus 40 degree.
40.
That too is an example of a complementary angle. Okay, that's good. Now, similarly, there is another one also. Okay. Two angles whose sum is 180 are called the supplementary angles. What do you mean by that? Supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Clear? 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me? I will call name. Rekha, can you tell me an example for a supplementary angles?
So 90° and 90°.
Okay, those are very easy. Come with some other. Okay, they are correct. Okay, some another. Arnav. Arnav. Abhinav. Abhinav Pal. Abhinav Pal. Anushka. 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 Well, anyone who can say about the supplementary angle, just raise your hand. Okay. Pragati.
Sir, 105° and 75°.
105°
75°. 75°.
Okay, 75 degrees. Okay. Now, Kritika.
35° and 145°.
35° and 145°. Okay. So these all are examples of supplementary angles. Okay. You must remember the definition as well as the peculiarity of all the names as well, because when we move further, we have to deal with these examples. Some questions will be asked, and by looking at the figure itself, you must be able to identify what are these angles, what is the peculiarity of these angles. That's why we are learning it. Okay. Are you all clear with it? With the names and all the terms?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can move further. Now we are going with adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles, as the name suggests, those two angles which are adjacent. In other words, those two angles having a common ray. Okay. Listen here, I'll show. See, consider angle ABD. Okay, what are the arms of this angle? Arms.
Yeah.
AB and BC.
AB,
AB and
BD, BC,
BD. AB and
and
BD are the arms of this angle. Angle ABD. Now, can you say what are the arms of angle DBC?
BC and BD.
DB.
BD and
BC. Okay, BC and BD. Now look at the arms of both these angles. A common arm is BD,
BD.
right?
yes,
So
yes,
we can say that the angles ABD and angles DBC are adjacent angles. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
other words, when we are adding both these angles, we will get the total angle, which is angle ABC. That is, angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC. Clear? It is every
Yes.
calling it adjacent angles. Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to deal with the linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair means, look at the angles. Angle A, that is ABD. That is this angle. This is the angle. Okay. And the other angle is angle DBC. Angle DBC. These two angles are called the linear pair of angles, which means there will be a straight line and a transversal will cut those straight line, and those two angles are called the linear pair of angles. Okay, now are you clear how the name are coming? Because there is a straight line. We know that the straight line are having an equation, a linear equation, right? And then a line cuts it. Then what happens? Then we will get two angles. One angle is this one and the other is this one. So we get a pair of angles. That's why it is called a linear pair of angles. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
I will just show you an example. E F G H. What are the pair of linear angles? Linear pair of angles. Just raise your hand. Those students who know the answer, raise your hand. Okay, Arpit,
Angle HFE and angle HFG.
angle HFE and angle HFG. Angle HFE and angle HFG. Clear? Are you all clear how we are how we can name a linear pair of angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to deal with vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. As the name suggests, those angles which are opposite. That's all. See, I have given you one pair of vertical opposite angles. Angle AOD is and angle angle BOC. Okay, and one more thing. In order to notate those angles which are pair, we will use same symbols. See here. Here we have used one drawing, and here also we have used one drawing. And one pair is angle AOD and angle BOC. Can you say the other pair? There is one more pair. Anyone? Raise your hand. Raise.
B.
Don't say all. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Shubham.
Yes, sir. Angle AOC
Angle
and
A,
angle BOD.
angle AOC
Oh.
and angle BOD. Yes. Very good. These are the pair of vertically opposite angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
So AOC and DOB can also be the vertically opposite angles. So AOB and
AOC.
AOB.
What? AOD and
No, sir. AOB and BOC.
AOB and BOC.
DOC.
No.
They are straight line angles.
no, we can't say like that. Okay, because there is no angle formed by that. Of course, they are all together. They are known as straight angles, but we can't mark an angle. Can you mark an angle just by those intersection? See, a line is here, a line is here. Unless you mark here, see, we can mark all these. Okay. Other than this, can you mark any other angle? No. Okay. So from our, we will deal with next one, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. As the name suggests, intersecting means those lines which are coinciding. Okay, you can see intersecting lines. It is called an intersecting line. But what do you mean by a non-intersecting line?
They are parallel lines, sir.
Yes, non-intersect. As the name suggests,
Never meet
yes, as the name suggests, they won't meet at any point. So they are parallel lines, and this equal length is called the distance between two parallel lines. Clear? These are only names, only definitions. Okay. Are you all clear about what we had learned in today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I am not going to section 6.4 because before going that, you should be familiar with all these terms. I will just go through what all things we had learned. Today we have seen line segment, what do you mean by array and their notation, collinear points, non-collinear points, arms, vertex, and the different types of angles, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Then we have seen complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, again, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, and we have seen intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Okay. So you must remember one thing, all of you should learn these terms because in our next class, I will ask each of these definitions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.